Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota with our 2017 Tacoma Sport. 68,500 kilometers on it, one owner, homegrown right here in our dealership. We've got all the service records, excellent vehicle, best retained value 12 years in a row. I'm going to show you some of the features on this vehicle. If you want to come over to the side here, the new built-in block heater system comes with two cables. Over here we have 17-inch aluminum rims. This vehicle comes with the composite running boards. We do have keyless entry right here. When you open it up inside, you can see it does have power windows, power locks, adjustable seats. The front seats are heated. It does come with navigation, dual climate control, satellite radio. Bluetooth, of course, and it still has a CD player. Right over here we have a couple of buttons here. In the back there is a 400 watt outlet. This is how we power it. And this switch here is an automatic button to open the window. If we move over to the back seat, it's a 60-40 split. I've got one side down. As you can see, it has an ABS plastic side. So if you have a little dirty product you want to put in here, that's a more durable side. The other side, of course, comes down. There's storage behind each seat. This also comes with a hard trifold tonneau cover. Easily flips 3 times. If you come on back here, you're going to see that it does come with a tow package. It's wired, ready to go. Backup camera right there. And of course the tailgate is lockable. So with the trifold tonneau cover on top and the tailgate locked, your parcels are secure inside. Of course, this is a V6 vehicle, one of our most popular trucks. So if you're looking for something really reliable, decent gas mileage, this is the vehicle for you. I'm Dave Fontaine. If you have any questions about this or anything else, don't hesitate to give me a call, and stay safe.